Verifying your bank account on Stash is an important step to ensure secure transactions and access to your investment options. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Open the Stash app. Launch the Stash app on your mobile device or visit the Stash website. Log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is usually found in the Menu or Profile section of the app or website. Step 3. Select Bank Account Verification. Look for the option related to bank account verification. This may be labeled as Link Bank Account or Verify Bank Account. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm verification. Follow the prompts to confirm your bank account. This may involve Stash making small deposits into your account, which you will need to verify by entering the amounts back into the app. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully verified on Stash. This will allow you to fund your investments and manage your finances more effectively.